Hi, I'm Christine Dunbar with SpeechModification.com, and this is my Smart American Accent training. In this video, we'll look at vowel O in American English. We'll learn what common errors people make on this sound, what frequently used words it's in, and how to practice to improve this sound. Want to sound American? You can do it. SpeechModification.com. The most common error for vowel O is using the pure vowel O instead of American O, which slides from O to No might sound more like no. Shown might sound more like shown. Vowel O is usually spelled with the letter O, like in no and so, or with OW, like in grow and known, or with OA, like in coat and throat. Let's review the most frequently used words with the vowel O sound. Almost, alone, also, although, below, coat, close, don't, go, going, grow, low, most, notice, only, open, over, so, show, shown. To correct the error on this vowel sound, hold your vowel longer. Move from your O to a more closed jaw and more rounded lips. It sounds like O, O. When you can say the vowel sound by itself, begin to practice on words and short phrases. Then, try repeated phrase practice, where you repeat the vowel O in a common word and add your own phrase. For example, try repeating phrases with the word most. Most of the time, most people, most things, most days, and continue adding your own words after most. Make sure you use an American O on the word most, even as you're thinking of what to say.